Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your regedit. You can also open this run by right click on the start icon, click on run, then type your regedit and hit enter. Select as. On this window, we need to just go back to the main this window, and we need to expand HT current user, then expand control panel, then we need to expand the input method. So here it is, just select it. On the right side, we need to right click here, create a new string value and name it as enable hex numpad and hit enter. Then right click on it, select modify and change the value data as to 1 and hit enter. Once done, close this window, then go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Then we need to set s and type here dism space slash online slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then we will move to the next method. Simply right click on the start icon, go to device manager. Now expand the keyboards, right click on the particular device, select properties, and then simply go to drivers tab and update the drivers. You need to select the first option and the best drivers will be just installed automatically. If this not work, just go back and select the second option and then click on this option, let me pick up from, and select model, click on next, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one. Now it will show you that you need to restart the system to fix this issue, but right now we have to complete the command prompt window, this method. So you can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Then after the process completes, restart your system and problem will be solved.